we're doing an unboxing, Scotty.
Yes, latest acquisition.
Da-da-da-da! Okie
You
dokie.
do the...
Wowzers, look at this. We'll just get this baby unboxed. And this is the latest acquisition. Let's have a look. Wow, Rolex box. We love
clean and
nice.
Crispy.
Crispy.
I forget, this is a...
Mid-2000s.
2015. It's a 13-year-old
watch.
Yeah, the box is in pretty good nick.
It's in very nice nick, that there. We'll just put that nicely on the floor. Da-da-da-da! Wowzers! It's an Explorer. You can see by the booklets. Da-da-da-da! Ooh! Man, is that beautiful! Look at this! Wow! Oh man! Doo-doo-doo-doo. I can see why you've fallen in love with it.
When I put it on, yeah, for the first time yesterday.
Wow! Oh!
Yesterday was the first time.
What do you think, man? It's just gorgeous.
It's really.
What serial number?
I think it's F.
F. Same as mine, actually. My one.
Is it F?
Yeah, mine's an F. Actually, that tells you it's an F. F, Scotty.
It is an F?
It's an F.
Okay.
It's an F. Wow.
September 2015. The paperwork, it's got the old papers.
Yep.
Folded up.
No, F would be 2005.
Yes, it is 2005.
Yeah.
September 2005. It was the purchase date.
What a beautiful watch. What do you think? So, how's it short a link? I don't understand.
No, well, I thought it was, but it's got the precise amount of links. I went into Rolex yesterday.
Yes.
And they got out the old catalogs.
Oh.
They keep catalogs from the past. They go
Yes.
right back. So he pulled out an old catalog, and we looked at how many links on the 16570. 13 links.
I see, and you got 13.
And it's 13. So I just, for some reason, I thought it was.
So tell me this: you bought this to flick, and now you've fallen in love
with it.
I bought it
as a long-term investment piece. Because
yeah, I've already had an offer already on this.
Wow.
Someone's offered me money on this.
Heck.
Low sevens.
Okay. Don't say how much I we won't say how much I paid.
Well, it's no one's business.
No.
Whose business is that?
But,
low sevens. Sevens, like 7.3,
okay.
7.4. It's the offers come in at.
Wow.
But I don't know if I would sell.
I
think it's. I got to tell you the truth.
Man.
You love it?
Oh, I love it. Yeah, I've fallen in love with it. It was love at first sight.
Well, maybe that's the perfect 4-piece collection for you. Could you do that or not?
Maybe. That's the GMT. I mean, look,
it's a beautiful
GMT
watch.
Masters are kind of out of reach now.
But this is a great watch. I've always liked these better than the GMTs.
You've always loved the Explorer too.
I know.
Yeah.
I've always loved, and I love the black. I must confess, I've owned the black a couple times, and I actually kind of do. I do like the black a little bit more. Okay.
But I just love everything about it. It's lighter than the modern pieces, I think, possibly because of the bracelet. I'm not sure, but the more refined lugs.
It's a fantastic.
Of course, I would love the new Easy Link clasp on the back.
Oh, you can't have everything. But the 40mm size.
Oh, it's so wearable. It's look, it's just to look at. It's beautiful.
So you bought this.
It's a masterpiece.
You bought this to flick. Are you going to flick, or what's the go? Tell me what's happening with you.
No, I can't.
I can see wheels. Don't do what
I've got to do everything I can to keep that.
To keep it?
Yes. Maybe even keep that over the Explorer 1.
Well, I wouldn't sell
how much I love
the Explorer 1.
No, I don't want to sell the Explorer 1.
Silly.
But I do love the Explorer 2 that much.
Wow, let's just put the two together. Let's put these two together, Scotty, because I think this could be an ultimate combo. Look at that as a combo deal. Well, and I think it's a great little mini collection to have two Explorers, Explorer 1 and Explorer 2.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Like,
Yep.
that's 39 mil and that's 40. I think the 42 is probably a little bit too big.
It's too big.
I must be honest with you, one criticism of the IWC Ingy I bought off you, I think it is a little bit too big.
You're going back to the smaller sizes?
No, I'm just saying, I love it, but it is a little bit too big. I think the 40 was right. You know how you had the white one?
Yes.
I think that was the perfect size. Okay, it didn't have the movement. You know, the in-house.
Yes.
But I think that size
It was very beautiful to look at. The dial, that white dial on that Ingenieur was very nice. Very light, wearable.
Scotty,
So the gentleman actually who bought that, really nice guy. I forget what his...
yeah, that's right.
Jack? Was it
Yeah, he got a
Jack?
good price on that.
Yes. Because I've looked, E-Lady's got it for $4.6 US.
Look, IWC is a little bit of a soft brand, but they ask a lot, but they do, look, it is what it is, Scotty.
Yeah.
Rolex is king. You understand that, don't you?
Mm.
So, I gotta say, what a beautiful two-piece combo collection, and you got a sub coming soon.
Yes, that will be the next unbox. That will have to be the...
it's a date sub
that will
too.
be the end of it.
What a fucking and you've still got the Zenith.
Yes, I'm going to put these in the box so we can display them all
Yeah,
together.
no. That's I just want to feel these watches. I got to tell you, Scotty. I got to tell you, I got to be honest with you, Scotty.
Yes.
I love fucking watches. You know that? I love my watches.
Yeah.
I love my watches, Scotty.
So I just thought, look, GMT Masters, they're kind of getting unobtainable. Like the prices have just...
I don't think they're worth it. I love the Explorer because I find the fixed bezel fucking amazing. I find the fixed bezel amazing.
So if you can get in now and get an Explorer 2 at a reasonable price, they definitely are going up in price.
I think they're it's all Rolexes are going up.
Yes.
You know, it's just I got to tell you, Scotty.
Even your mate over in Miami,
yes,
he did a vid the other day, and he was saying which watches are predestined to, you know, shoot up in price.
Yeah.
And he was saying the Explorer 2 was one of them.
I've always loved the Explorer 2. I've always loved it. The funny thing is, years ago, like I had the old Rolex catalog. I got an Explorer 1 because it was cheap, right? 1016. But if I actually thought about what do I really want, I would have probably gone for a Datejust two-tone. But what I really wanted, if I really thought about it, would have been a Explorer 2. Explorer 2, because that's the perfect combination. You know, at one stage I had my collection 20 years ago. I had to sell it all off because of financial problems.
Yes.
And you know the one watch I kept?
Explorer 2, was it?
Yep. Because I had a President, I had a Datejust two-tone. I had two Submariners. I had a 16610 and a 16800, and an Explorer 2. The last watch to sell off
was the Explorer 2.
Explorer 2, and I felt really sad about that.
It's just something so cool about it.
Oh, they're just fucking amazing. They're amazing. They're amazing things. So,
and you know, I was trying to go online and work out, you know, what famous people wear Explorer 2s.
Yes.
And to be honest, I could hardly find any. The only one I could, you know, it's worn by, you know, explorers, hikers, mountain climbers.
I think one of the Royals had an Explorer 2.
Prince Harry wears a Polar.
Yeah, 42 mil, I think.
No, 40.
40, is
yes,
it 40?
Yeah,
okay,
he wears it the same as yours.
Okay, wow.
But he's the only celeb / famous person I could find that...
I got to tell you, this two pair, I reckon if you just had two Explorers, what a fucking... I just can't stop looking at this collection. It's beautiful. What do you think?
I mean, if someone only had those two watches, that was it. That was their collection.
Oh, perfect.
That's doable?
Perfect.
You'd have to give that a high rating, wouldn't you?
Fuck it, that's perfect two-piece combo meal deal. And you don't need a Pepsi or a Coke to go with the meal deal. You just have the chicken. Who needs a drink? You just drink water.
You don't need all these...
You don't need a soft drink when you've got 2 pieces of chicken. Okay, just drink the fucking water.
Yes.
Okay, water's free, sunshine. You don't need a Pepsi or a Coke.
Just leave it at 2 pieces and that's it.
Hunger buster. Perfect. Feed. Go back to work. Beautiful collection.
Because a lot of fans out there already have the Explorer 1. So you would advise them to go and get.
I just think that collection. Well, I used to. Yeah. I think it's just beautiful. I just love them, Scotty. Scotty, I love them. I love them, Scotty. I love these watches to death. Okay.
Yeah.
I love them. I love them, Scotty. Fuck.